Okay, so today we're going to be talking about graphing linear relations. When we're doing so, what we're working on doing is taking an equation that's in the form of y equals mx plus b. So, for instance, something like y equals negative x plus 5, that would be y equals mx plus b. Or y equals 1 half x plus 2. So we're working on taking an equation in this form and actually graphing it onto a graph. So there's a few steps to follow. The first thing we're going to do is create a table of values. So when you're creating a table of values, it's just a very simple t-chart with your x values on the left and your y values on the right. So the way you're going to do this is pick some random x values. Usually we want to choose some negative and positive ones. So we'll do something like this. -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. Just so that you have a nice span from the negative to the positive and a nice few points to use to graph your line. So next we're going to use substitution to determine ordered pairs. So we're going to take our x values that we randomly chose and plug them into the equation. So we would take -2 and plug it in, replace x with -2, and then do the algebra to solve for y. Once we do that, we're going to have a bunch of ordered pairs ready to go. And we'll have a range. We'll be able to figure out what kind of range we'll need, and we'll be able to go on to the third step, which is choose the appropriate scales for each axis. So the x-axis and the y-axis. Once you've done so, you'll be in a position to go to number 4 and plot the ordered pairs that you've created with your table of values. Finally, once you have those ordered pairs on a line, you're going to connect the points with a straight line, and then you'll have a graph ready to go.